As you can see behind me, we're here at the 2023 Chicago Auto Show. We want to check out some neat new vehicles and see what's new, what's coming out. We want to bring you along. So come on, let's go check it out.
think this is the one?
You know, it might be.
You know? What you think?
I think it's hot. It's definitely saying Brian.
This is my colors.
Your color's yellow. Yellow. It's got all the colors in it. 2023.
It's pretty roomy.
Ram
It's got a lot of room.
TRX. Yes. All right. Behind you, ladies. Thank you. All right, we are here at this Nissan display. About to go test something out. What are we doing? Do we know what we're doing, guys?
Yes. We're gonna actually take a tour. We're gonna take a tour.
Yeah, speak up a little bit.
We're gonna take a tour of the Nissan Z. So this is all new. It's called the Z Tour. So we're gonna check it out. It's a little sport vibe to it. Nice color.
Okay,
Looks
okay.
like a little fun.
Are you ready for the Z Tour?
Yep.
Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, something a little different. We are just enjoying ourselves at the.
A lot of different and pretty cool cars and trucks around here.
Yeah, I'd say.
Oh, turn around behind here. Show that nasty yellow right there.
Yeah, look at that right there. See that?
That's my future car.
Oh yeah.
Truck.
There it is.
There it is. Future down the road. You know.
Absolutely. All right, so we're gonna get in this thing here in a minute. Oh, okay.
Keep it warm.
Yeah.
Keep warm by the fire.
Keeping warm over here by this display of Subarus. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Venture all-terrain at its finest. Okay? We are out here just camping, giving all the vibes.
Wonderful vibe.
All the outdoorsy vibes with their whole lineup. Just a cool section,
One
guys.
time, highly recommend you guys coming and checking out the auto show.
Say that again?
We recommend you guys coming and checking out the auto show, whether it's in Chicago, Detroit, wherever.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's a lot of cool stuff. This Chicago one is very special. They got a lot of stuff to see, and just their setups are really cool. So, yeah. Well, guys, there you have it. We just experienced the Chicago 2023 Chicago Auto Show. So great, there's so much to see. We're glad you guys enjoyed it. Got some good content for you. It's not our normal content, but we want to try something different, and that might be interesting for some of you guys to see some of these camping setups and roof racks and all that stuff. So, but don't forget, guys, we will be snowmobiling soon. We're going to be renting some snowmobiles for the guys and gals that are watching us, that are subscribers. Appreciate you. But we're going to be using the Countywide Adventures, our friends. So once again, 10% off that they will give you if you say that we sent you. Okay, so Countywide Adventures in Gaylord and Harbor Springs. All right, so we will see you guys. We will see you guys next time. Remember, guys, your next venture, as you can see, is wherever you want to go, but it's just one step away.